Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Bulgarian ebook before it's gone.
Hello! How is everybody? Welcome back to the 2000 Core Bulgarian Words and Phrases video series with your host Daria. Here in this series, each episode will help you learn new words, then practice them, and at the end of the episode have a chance to review what you have just learned. Are you ready to start with the first word? Because I am. Here it is. Hrema. Runny nose. Hrema. Hrema. Runny nose. Бебето има хрема. The baby has a runny nose. Бебето има хрема. Замаян. Dizzy. Замаян. Замаян. Dizzy. Жената е замаяна. The woman is dizzy. Жената е замаяна. Запушен нос. Stuffy nose. Запушен нос. Запушен нос. Stuffy nose. Лекарство за запушен нос. Medicine for a stuffy nose. Лекарство за запушен нос. Волейбол. 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 Отборите играят волейбол. The teams are playing volleyball. Отборите играят волейбол. Golf. 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 Мъжът играе голф. The man is playing golf. Мъжът играе голф. Box. Boxing. Box. Box. Boxing. Мъжът практикува уменията си по бокс. The man is practicing his boxing skills. Мъжът упражнява уменията си по бокс. Пътувам. Travel. Пътувам. Пътувам. Travel. След като завърша, ще пътувам около света за 1 година. After I graduate, I will travel the world for 1 year. След като завърша, ще пътувам около света за 1 година. Завършвам. Graduate. Завършвам. Завършвам. Graduate. След като завърша, ще пътувам около света за 1 година. After I graduate, I will travel the world for 1 year. След като завърша, ще пътувам около света за 1 година. Премествам се. Move. Премествам се. Премествам се. Move. Току-що се преместих в Токио. I've just moved to Tokyo. Току-що се преместих в Токио. New Delhi. New Delhi. New Delhi. New Delhi. New Delhi. Отивам до New Delhi. Go to New Delhi. Отивам до New Delhi. Great job so far, guys. We're moving to the review section. Are you ready to start? You will hear some prompts. Please respond by speaking aloud. First, you will hear the prompts in English. It will be a word or a phrase. Try to respond in Bulgarian, then repeat after me, focusing on your pronunciation. Everything clear? Here we go, let's start. Alright, do you remember how to say in Bulgarian runny nose? Hrema. Hrema. Okay, so far so good. What is the word for dizzy? Zamayan. Zamayan. And how do you call it when you have a stuffy nose? Запушен нос. Запушен нос. The next one is an easy one. What do you say in Bulgarian if you play volleyball? Volleyball. Volleyball. Another one. How is the Bulgarian word for golf? You're right, it's golf. Golf. Now, do you remember how to say boxing? Box. Box. And here is another one. What is the verb travel in Bulgarian? Пътувам. Пътувам. Do you recall how to say graduate? Завършвам. Завършвам. Great job so far. Two more down. How to pronounce and how to say the word for move. Премествам се. Премествам се. And the last one for today is the city of New Delhi. New Delhi. New Delhi. Great, guys, you got another episode down. Keep learning with BulgarianPod101.com to improve your Bulgarian skills. I am your host, Daria, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, довиждане!